Hey, it's Dr. Conor Ward here. Check out these exercises for your lower back. They help reverse the effects of sitting at a desk for an extended period and help to keep that lower back healthy. The following exercises are for your lower back whenever you're sitting at a desk for an extended period of time, either working from home or in office. The best advice I can give you is to have a chair that provides adequate support in the lumbar spine. So that would look like this, where there's a nice curve in that lower part of the back, which is maintained by the chair. If you don't have a chair with lumbar support, then you can make one by simply rolling up a small hand towel and placing that in the lumbar spine to give yourself some support and feedback whenever you're sitting in the chair for an extended period. Now, these exercises are designed to help try and release the pressure in the muscles of the pelvis, the lower back, and to stretch off the hamstrings as well. So the first thing you're going to do is to bring your right ankle across to the left knee. Place your right hand on your knee and press down, and then flex your body over. You should feel that stretch in your glutes, in the lower part of your back and into the pelvis. You're going to be holding this for about 10 seconds on both sides. So when you've got that completed, swap across to the other side, press down, flex forward, and hold in that position once more. If you have any lower back pain or you experience any pain in doing this stretch, please refrain from doing it and ease back off. But once those 10 seconds are done on both sides, you can relax. You then want to bring yourself forward to the edge of the chair, extend a leg out, and placing your hands on the leg, just stretch down as far as you can, flexing forward. Again, if you have any disc issues or anything like that, please refrain from doing this one as it may aggravate those underlying conditions. And then once those 10 seconds to 20 seconds are up, swap legs and do the other side as well. Holding that, you should feel that in the hamstrings and into the lower back. Sometimes you can feel it in the middle back too. When you're coming back up from that position, take care and use your hands to help bring yourself back up and back into a nice neutral position. Now you want to sit back a little bit further on the chair, bend the knee and bring it into your chest as close as you can. Holding that position again for 10 seconds. You then want to bring it towards the opposite shoulder and hug it in. This time you should feel the stretch in the lower part of the back glute area. Holding that for 10 seconds. Swapping across the other side, 10 seconds of straight holding, and then 10 seconds up towards the opposite knee. You can pause the video if you want to complete those stretches now. The last exercise is to help the discs in your lower back. So the discs get their hydration by the movement of the spine. So whenever we're sat for an extended period, those discs can sometimes suffer. So the best thing you can do is 10 sit to stands, which is standing up without using your hands. Simple as that. So from this position, you can have your hands either at the side or in front of you. You're standing up and sitting back down. As you stand up, squeeze your tummy muscles to activate your core, and at the very top, squeeze your glutes together at the back to activate your core stability. So you want to do 10 of those sit to stands in order to get the disc and spine moving. My recommendation is that you do these exercises once or twice a day in order to try and help reverse the effects of sitting at a desk. You can do them every hour, and it will help, like I say, to prevent the lower back from becoming painful and stiff towards the end of the day.